you still looking at me?
The universe. 13.8 billion years ago, a large explosion known as the Big Bang, all of the space, time, matter, and energy in the universe was created. This giant explosion hurled matter in all directions and caused space itself to expand. As the universe cooled, the material in it combined to form galaxies, stars, and planets. This is the birth of the universe. According to NASA, after inflation the growth of the universe continued, but at a slower rate. As space expanded, the universe cooled and matter formed. 1 second after the Big Bang, the universe was filled with neutrons, protons, electrons, anti-electrons, photons and neutrinos. The lightest elements were formed after the Big Bang. There were hydrogen and helium along with trace amounts of lithium and beryllium. About 5 or 6 billion years after the Big Bang, according to NASA, a mysterious force now called dark energy began speeding up the expansion of the universe again, a phenomenon that continues today. Now what is dark energy? Dark energy is a theoretical form of energy postulated to act in opposition to gravity and to occupy the entire universe, accounting for most of the energy in it and causing its expansion to accelerate. The universe was being shaped by dark energy. Planets, galaxies and stars formed one after another. Now what really caused or made the Big Bang? The universe began, scientists believe, with every speck of its energy jammed into a very tiny point. This extremely dense point exploded with unimaginable force, creating matter and propelling it outward to make the billions of galaxies of our vast universe. Astrophysicists dubbed this giant explosion the Big Bang. The Big Bang was the beginning of the universe as we know it. But was it the first beginning, and will it be the last? There are many unsolved mysteries about the Big Bang and the universe. Thank you for watching.
With